Welcome! Today we'll explore the Moderate platform. Moderate connects you to datasets and building domain tools. We'll show you how to navigate our dataset catalog and verify files using our trust services. Let's begin. The Moderate dataset catalog offers a curated collection of building-related data. You can upload your own datasets and then analyze them using the platform's tools. No need to upload anything? The catalog also features useful public datasets. To help you quickly track down exactly what you need, you can browse through the catalog using specific keywords and apply various helpful filters, such as filtering by the particular format of the dataset, or narrowing your search based on the exact date it was uploaded. Before we dive deeper, it helps to understand exactly how Moderate organizes its datasets. We use two levels, top-level assets and asset objects, which are the actual files. Meanwhile, top-level assets are logical groupings that contain one or more files. So an asset isn't just a file. Think of it as a container grouping related files together. It's also important to note that datasets can have one of three visibility levels. Public ones are open to anyone. Visible ones appear in search but aren't downloadable. Finally, private datasets remain completely restricted to authorized users. Another helpful detail to keep in mind is that by default, the datasets you upload yourself will not be included in the general catalog search results. However, you can easily toggle that visibility setting on if you decide you actually want your personal datasets to show up in those searches. Whenever you click on a specific asset object, you are taken to its details page. On this page, you can easily read the detailed description provided by the owner. I have an edit button visible here, but that's only because I own this specific asset. Just below that, you will find a metadata section containing technical details. This includes the storage key, file hash, and the IOTA ledger record identifier. We also display some internal metadata to ensure complete system transparency. Clicking the Profile tab reveals a data profile generated by our ingestion pipeline. This is powered by open metadata and runs automatically on our servers a few times a day. So after you upload your assets, this profile information is generated for you automatically. Finally, let's look at the Verify Integrity button in the top right corner. Clicking this button connects directly to the Moderate Trust Service platform. Simply put, it ensures the dataset hasn't been altered since you first uploaded it. There is also a real-time data quality processing pipeline that you can feed your datasets into. This pipeline automatically infers the data schema and applies several general quality rules. This provides you with a very quick overview of the overall shape and health of your dataset. What is really nice is that these quality checks run row by row, and the results appear dynamically right in your browser. The process is asynchronous, meaning you don't even have to sit and wait around for the entire check to finish. You can safely close the browser tab, focus on other tasks, and simply come back later to review the final results. Exploratory data analysis forms a fundamental part of the Moderate platform experience. To best support a variety of user workflows, we currently offer two distinct options. This lets you try them out, helping us learn which one best fits the community's needs. By clicking the Explore button on the interface, you'll be smoothly redirected to a comprehensive dashboard based on PyGWalker. It runs fully in your browser and lets you quickly explore the dataset by building charts and inspecting the data interactively. In cases where the dataset is simply too large, the system automatically takes a best effort approach and attempts to sample the data, ensuring that you still receive a meaningful and manageable slice of information to comfortably explore directly within your browser. Your second choice is the Data Exploration Notebook, which is an environment built entirely on the Marimo framework. Marimo is a modern Python framework specifically designed to build interactive notebooks that run embedded directly on the web. To start using this option, simply copy your dataset's download URL and paste it directly into the provided notebook interface. Following these steps immediately provides you with a completely different style of interactive exploration dashboard to work with. It takes a few more steps than Pigwalker, but Marimo offers very interesting features, so we decided to provide both alternatives. These interactive tools and services truly represent the core value proposition of the Moderate platform. They offer a catalogue of software applications for various scenarios and use cases in the building domain. By clicking on the Tools and Services tab in the main menu, you will be quickly redirected to the catalogue, where you can find brief descriptions, links to public instances, Git repositories, and other useful resources. Going into each tool in detail is out of scope for today, but here is something useful to keep in mind. The main Moderate platform, meaning the website we've been looking at, serves as the primary entry point. However, the tools can be exposed differently. Some feature web interfaces, some run on the command line. And finally, a few selected tools are directly integrated into the Moderate platform itself. Our contextual anomaly detection tool serves as a perfect example of this integrated setup. To spare users from using the command line, we built its functionality right into the platform. Meanwhile, many of the other available tools provide their own distinct friendly web interfaces. We encourage you to browse the catalogue and see if anything looks useful for your daily work. The anomaly detection tool is incredibly comprehensive for reviewing time series and spotting outliers. Because it is directly integrated into the Moderate platform, using it is very straightforward. You simply select your desired dataset, whether it's a public one or one you uploaded yourself. After that, you just pick the specific data column you want to analyze and trigger the process. Once the analysis is complete, the final output is a highly detailed, interactive HTML report that comes completely packed with valuable information about your selected time series. We aren't going to sit here and wait for this particular example to finish generating right now, mainly because the entire rendering process usually takes a few minutes to complete. Instead of waiting, let's jump ahead and check out a completed version we triggered earlier, just so you can get a good idea of what the final generated report actually looks like. Finally, please note that Moderate remains experimental, so we apologize if a few features still feel a bit flaky. Please do not hesitate to contact the moderated team if you would like to join the invite-only version of the platform. Or if you happen to run into something during your testing that doesn't seem to be working exactly as intended. Or even if you simply have some general thoughts, suggestions, or helpful feedback you'd like to share with us. Thank you so much for taking the time